How to add Apple Pay to Robinhood. If you want to add Apple Pay to your Robinhood account so that you can deposit funds easily and securely, I'll show you in this video how to. Let's get started. First, make sure that you have downloaded Robinhood app on your phone. If not, if you are an iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and if you are an Android user, you can download it from Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open Robinhood app. Make sure to log into your account and you'll see this home page. Here on the top you can see the search icon. Click on it. Now on the search bar type in transfer. Here click on deposit fund option and there type in their amount. After that click on continue, and remember that you need to verify your account before doing so. And after that you can see add money under the transfer section. Select Apple Pay as your funding source and enter the amount you want to deposit. And lastly, confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. So this is how you can add Apple Pay to Robinhood. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.